Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms and smoke detectors in a public building or at home. That is a big no no. You don't ever do that, especially right now when we are trying to stay as warm as possible. And if our heaters malfunction, that could start a fire, and this fire alarm and that smoke detector is going to alert us to get out if that were the case. So this is why you especially do not mess with these devices this time of year, because these literally save lives. Do not take them off the wall, do not take them off the ceiling, you never paint them, you never put tape over the sounders. You do not pull them for fun. Also, you do not press the test button for fun on the smoke detector at home. Just do not tamper with this, and do not tamper with that smoke detector up on the ceiling, because this is to protect a public building, and that smoke detector is to protect your house. So you do not mess with any of these devices, because these devices are absolutely not toys. These literally save lives. So you do not ever mess with these devices. Goodbye.